Hello and good morning, dear students. Hope you all are well and doing well with your studies. As we are discussing our chapter 3rd, synthetic fibers and plastics. And in our last class, we have discussed about natural and synthetic fiber and two examples of synthetic fiber, that's rayon and nylon. Moving on to the next synthetic fibers, Dacron or polyester and acrylic. As polyester is made from units of chemical named ester, means when many esters are combined together, we will get the polyester. It does not get wrinkled easily and are easy to wash, means whenever we are keeping polyester, it's no headache to wrinkle off these clothes. Terylene is popular polyester, means it an example of polyester. PET, polyethylene terephthalene, is familiar form of polyester. And terylene and PET are common polyesters which are used in our daily life. It is used for making bottles, wires and utensils. As you all know, bottles, wires and utensils are used by us in our day-to-day life. Next is polywool. As polywool name gives the meaning. Polyester and wool, means polywool is a mixture of polyester and wool. Next one is coats wool, is made up of cotton and wool. We wear sweaters and use blankets in winter. Many of these are actually not made of natural wool. These are made of synthetic fiber called acrylic. So we can say synthetic fiber is an alternate to the nylons, or we can say natural fibers. So synthetic fibers have same properties as natural fibers. The clothes made of acrylic are cheaper than natural wool and available in many colors. As we know that wool is obtained from animals. So, with the increase in population, the production of wool is not up to remark, means it is not increasing as compared to the increase in population. So that's why the prices of wool are increasing. And the synthetic fiber acrylic is an alternate to the natural wool, means it has same properties but it is cheaper than wool and also available in many colors. One more is polycoat, is a mixture of polyester and cotton. So its main polyesters are given in this video. The next one is there are some disadvantages of synthetic fibers, as when they burn they melt, which may get stuck to the body. As you know that natural fiber after burn will finish, but the synthetic fibers do not finish. Means if they come in contact with the heat, they get stuck to our body because they are, we can say, plastics. So it stuck our body and harm our body. So they are not used in kitchen and laboratories because there are heat available, there are high temperatures available in kitchen and laboratories. So we cannot use synthetic fibers in kitchens and laboratories. They do not absorb sweat, so are uncomfortable during summer season. Means we cannot use synthetic fibers in summer. They are non-biodegradable, hence causes lots of pollution. Means they are once created, we cannot degrade them. Means we cannot decompose. So it causes a lots of pollution also. Some common examples to revise related to synthetic fibers. First one is polycoat, mixture of polyester and cotton. Polywool, mixture of polyester and wool. The third one is coats wool, mixture of cotton and wool. Next we are discussing the plastics. As plastics are divided into two categories, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics have examples polythene, PVC, Teflon, polystyrene and thermosetting have examples bakelite and melamine. We will discuss in detail about these plastics. Plastics. Word plastic comes from a Greek word plastikos, which means to be shaped or molded. Means the thing which can be reshaped and molded by giving heat are called plastics. This is the reason why plastic is used too much, because it can be changed again and again by providing heat. It can be recycled, reused, colored, melted and rolled into wires. So the plastic have many properties. Plastic is further classified into two categories, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Starting from the first one, thermoplastics. Thermoplastics, plastics which can be deformed or bent easily by melting are called thermoplastics. Means the plastic which can be easily deformed is an example of thermoplastic. The examples are PVC, polyvinyl chloride, polythene, polyester. In these means in thermoplastics the molecules of substance are arranged linearly. So that's why due to their linear arrangement we can deform them easily by melting. Discussing the first one, polythene, prepared by polymerization of ethene gas. Polymerization means combining with the help of chemical reaction. Prepared by polymerization of ethene gas means by the reaction of ethene gas polythene is prepared. It is used for making utensils, carry bags and adhesive tapes. So polythene we are using in our day-to-day life. The second one is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. It is prepared by polymerization of vinyl chloride. It is used for making soles of shoes, electric piles, lunch boxes, water bottles, raincoats. As PVC is prepared by a chemical vinyl chloride and used to make soles of shoes, electric piles, lunch boxes, water bottles, raincoats. These are the common uses of PVC. The third one is Teflon. It is unaffected by heat and chemicals. It is used to provide non-stick coating for fry pan and other cooking utensils as a lubricant. So there are different properties of thermoplastics which we are using in our day-to-day life. The next one is polystyrene thermocol. It is easily molded on heating, as in a very little temperature it starts melting. It is the main property of thermocol which we are using. It is used for packing material, insulator inside refrigerators, cold storage. Inside our refrigerators there is a coating of thermocols which protects the outer heat to come inside and the inner cooling to move outside. That's why it is used in the cold storage also, which protects the transfer of heat. So it's all about our today's class. Hope you all understood. We will discuss the thermosetting plastic in our next class. Have a great day. Best of luck and goodbye.